easy chicken burgers with apple and slaw. Dig into these succulent chicken burgers made with chicken and cheeseburgers, coleslaw, brioche hamburger buns, sriracha mayonnaise and a Granny Smith apple. They'll be ready in 30 minutes. To get started, heat a large non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Cook the burgers for 5 minutes each side or until they're browned and cooked through. Transfer them to a tray. Meanwhile, tip the coleslaw into a medium bowl and add some sriracha mayonnaise. Toss them together. Split the buns in half with a bread knife. To toast the buns, heat a char grill pan on high heat and add the buns cut side down. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until they're lightly charred and warmed through. To make the apple matchsticks, thinly slice the apple leaving the core intact. Then stack and thinly slice. Spread the bun bases with some more sriracha mayonnaise and top with the coleslaw. Top with the burger patties and apple matchsticks. Drizzle with some more sriracha mayonnaise. Pop on the bun top to serve. That's how easy it is to enjoy great tasting burgers on busy weeknights. For the full recipe, see the description below.